In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a text plus image post to LinkedIn. Whether you're new to LinkedIn or just looking to maximize your post engagement, this easy guide will walk you through every step to get your post up and running. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and go to linkedin.com. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to either sign in using your Google or Microsoft account, or you can opt for the more traditional route of entering your email address and password. If you've enabled two-factor authentication for your LinkedIn account, you might be prompted to complete an extra verification step. This typically involves entering a code received on your phone. This step is crucial in ensuring your account remains secure. Once you're logged in, navigate to the upper right corner of the page where you'll see your avatar picture, click on it. This will allow you to proceed to the next step. Now that you're on your main LinkedIn feed, it's time to create a new post. Look for the Start a Post option, which is prominently displayed on your feed. Click on it and a pop-up will appear, ready for you to compose your message. Go ahead and write the text you wish to post. This could be anything from sharing a professional update to communicating an insightful thought you've been mulling over. Remember, clarity is key, and adding a personal touch can enhance engagement with your audience. With your text in place, it's time to add an image to complement your post. At the bottom part of the pop-up, you'll find an icon to add a photo. Click on this and you'll be prompted with options to either upload an image from your computer or simply drag one over from your downloads. Once your image is uploaded, you have the opportunity to edit it if needed. Editing can help ensure that your image is the perfect fit for your post, both visually and contextually. When you're satisfied with the image edit, click on Next. You're almost there. Finally, review your post. Once you're happy with how everything looks, go ahead and click the Post button. This final click shares your content with your professional network, making it visible to your connections and potentially even the wider LinkedIn community if your settings allow. And there you have it, a text plus image post beautifully published on LinkedIn. Remember, engaging content not only conveys your message but also starts meaningful conversations. So feel free to check back here for more insightful guides and tips on maximizing your presence on LinkedIn. Thank you for joining today and happy posting.